total of 663 new One Family, One Professional scholars in Misamis Occidental will benefit from a monthly allowance, dormitory, and shuttle services under the province's flagship scholarship program as the new school year begins. Governor Henry S. Waminal personally met with the new batch of OFOP scholars on August 11 at the People's Gym in Tangub City, where they were formally welcomed into the program. Unlike ordinary scholarship programs, the OFOP of Misamis Occidental is not limited to financial aid alone. Scholars receive a monthly allowance of 5,000 pesos, equivalent to 50,000 pesos per school year, and as part of a close monitoring effort, scholars are also provided with dormitory accommodation and shuttle services to and from their schools. Governor Waminal emphasized that the Ascenso administration is committed to ensuring that OFOP scholars can focus on their studies without being burdened by financial concerns.
Sa inyo karong kaugalingon, wa na mo'y bayranan sa eskwelahan, wa na mo'y problema sa inyong board and lodging. Ang inyong trabaho magtuon, makapasar, then makapahuman. With that formula, taas ang insurance nga sa atong gingon 90 or 95% should be successful.
For new grantees such as Gian, the program provides peace of mind, allowing him to focus on his dream of finishing college and achieving a better future.
To our Governor Henry Sevillas Waminal Sr. So I'm so thankful and blessed nga usa ko ani nga napilian sa OFOP because mo ni pangandon nako since grade 10 pa ko, since as student o estudyante pod nga gipatawag tawag single mother parent bitaw akong mama din. Daw kanang opportunity nako for me to continue my study in college. Kani gyud nga OFOP kay makapadayon gyud ako eskwela sa future nako na po aron ako matabangan pa nako akong mga pamilya sa future.
The OFOP remains one of the flagship education programs of the Ascenso administration and is considered a unique and expanded scholarship support program first opened in Misamis Occidental to ensure that Misamisnon families will have a professional from their household.